This store looks amazing. Can we go inside?
Of course. Let's find some nice clothes today.
Take your time. We don't need to rush.
There are so many clothes here. I don't know where to start.
Let's look around first before we choose anything.
Good idea. We might find something special. Dad, look at this green hoodie. I really like it.
Nice choice. The color looks great on you.
Let's keep it and see what else we can find. What do you think about this dress?
It looks elegant and the color suits you.
Mom, I think you'll look beautiful in it.
I'm not sure which shirt is better.
I like the blue one. It looks fresh and modern. Yes! The blue shirt is my favorite too.
Let's try everything on before we decide.
That's the best way to know if they fit. I can't wait to wear my new hoodie. How do I look? I really like this hoodie. It fits you very well. You look comfortable and confident.
The size is perfect. I think it's an excellent choice.
What do you think? Does this dress look nice on me?
Absolutely. It looks elegant and the color matches you perfectly.
Mom, you look beautiful. I really like this dress.
This shirt feels very comfortable. What do you both think?
It fits your shoulders nicely. You look younger in white. Dad, this is definitely the best one. Excuse me, do you have this dress in a smaller size? Yes, I do. Please wait a moment and I'll bring one for you. Thank you. I really appreciate your help. I'll try it on now. I hope it fits perfectly. What do you think? Does this red dress look good on me?
It looks wonderful. The color really suits you.
I love it, Mom. You should buy this dress. Excuse me, how much is this red dress? It's $75.
That's a good price. It looks perfect on you.
Great. I'd like to buy it. Hello. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, we did. We'd like to buy all of these, please.
We're happy with our choices. I can't wait to wear my new hoodie.
Do you have any discounts or special offers today?
Yes, we have a 5% discount on the total bill today. That's wonderful news. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your discount has been applied. The payment is ready.
Great. I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Your payment was successful. Thank you. Here are your shopping bags. Thank you for shopping with us today.
Thank you for your great service.
We had a wonderful shopping experience. Bye! See you next time!